way. The Discovery Club, bounce and learn all day. The Discovery Club, adventures on the way. The Discovery Club, come join us, hooray! The Discovery Club.
Air is everywhere. But what if you could actually see it? It's all around you right now, even in this room. But you can't see it at all. So why is air invisible, even though it's everywhere? Air is made of super tiny invisible bits, floating all around you. These bits are called gases, like oxygen and nitrogen. These bits are so tiny, they don't block light. That's why you can see a wall, but not the air in front of it. But wait, sometimes you can actually see what air is doing. When air moves trees, when it pushes steam up, or carries dust in the air. You are not seeing air itself. You're seeing what air does. So even though you can't see air, it's always there, moving all around you. And now you know. You don't see air. You see what air does. See you next time. Subscribe for more fun science on the Discovery Club.